runs on dreams from young and old, fueled by hope and faith combined, the spirit of the train divine.
The spirit of the train runs true. It carries me, it carries you, through every age, through joy and pain. The magic lives, it's in the lights reflect on snowy hills,
The hum of peace the whole world fills. It's not the rails or smoke or steel, it's the way the journey feels. When you close your eyes and hear that distant whistle drawing near, you'll know the spirit